Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. Long time no see. If you are new to my channel, then you don't know that we are moving. So I have a ton of decluttering to do as well as packing. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. This video is super motivating, especially this time of the year when everyone is gearing up for spring cleaning. So if you need some decluttering and organizing and packing motivation, stay tuned. Get started. We are getting closer and closer to our move date, and I have been putting off the bathroom in my patio storage closet. So I figured this is the best time to do it. The kids are at school, so let me knock this out now. I am just removing everything off of the shelf. I'm going to move in phases. So I'm starting with the shelf and then I'm going to move on to underneath the sink. So I just put everything on this area rug and I'm going to go through every single thing, check expiration dates, and get rid of anything that I have not touched in a while, because these products do have expiration dates. Perfumes have expiration dates. They don't smell the same after a while. So definitely take a minute to go through all of your products, and if you have not used it, then just go ahead and get rid of it. It's no good anymore. The ingredients are inactive or spoiled. So yeah. Packing all of the products that I am not going to need in the next few weeks, or that I am forcing myself not to need in the next few weeks, in these plastic containers, just in case something spills during the move. It won't leak out everywhere and mess up anything else around it. I have been doing pretty good with getting rid of stuff that I am not going to be using, that's not going to serve us anymore, or things that are just not fitting in with my vision for the new place. This white storage thing I am going to be selling on Facebook Marketplace. I have been offloading a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace for really reasonable prices. So I'm just going to wipe this down and get it ready to take photos of it and get it sold. Now moving on, we are back in the bathroom. All these Nivea lotions. You know how your lotion gets low and it doesn't pump out of the thing anymore and you have to like hit the bottom? So I have been doing that with those for like a really long time. So I finally got rid of them. We parted ways. Tear. Now we're moving on to underneath the sink. I have so much stuff underneath of this sink. I've never done a video cleaning under here because it just overwhelms me so much. Now I am forced to clean out under this sink. I have so much stuff that I've only used once or twice. So like you'll see purple shampoo in this show that I only used one time when I was bleaching the knots on a wig. And that's literally the only time that I used it. And I feel like I shouldn't throw it away because it's a full bottle of purple shampoo. And I do see wigs in my future. So stuff like that I'm going to keep, but there's a lot of stuff that I'm just going to get rid of because like I said earlier, it's just expired. Now I have all of those things packed up and we are going to move on to the other area after I get back from picking the kids up from school. Part of the reason why I have been putting this off is because it was so cold outside, but it has been unseasonably warm. So I definitely took advantage of that. And I did all of my sorting and repacking while I was out here. My goal here was to pack like items together and eventually I will repack everything in matching bins, but for now I just want to make sure that everything that is in the same category, like outdoor stuff, chalk and bubbles, like that kind of thing, and keepsake things, stuff from when the boys were babies, and decor, just to put all those things in separate bins. All of this stuff over here is going to either be trash or donations. Back inside, I am moving things around just so that we can still live here and stuff is out of the way and not in front of that sliding glass door because fire hazard. So I'm just getting everything kind of organized in the way it's going to be until we move. My place is getting to that point where it's just boxes and bins everywhere. So even though I was tired, I went ahead and took the trash out and loaded some of the donations into my trunk so that we can at least have a walkway. And we are all done. I've mentioned this before, but my after shots are going to look a little bit different because I am just packing up. So this is what is left after I cleaned my bathroom. I just kept things out that I'm going to need. And here is the before and after of the patio closet. I am so glad I don't have to worry about this anymore and everything is all packed up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.